What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you meme coin that has a huge potential. This meme coin, it could be a next Pepe coin on the BaseChain. So it's not on Ethereum, Polygon, Polkadot or any other chains. It's going to be actually on the BaseChain. And lately in a few days it's been getting a lot of hype, a lot of attention, and it's been growing very well. And I think this project can do 100,000x, 10,000x, maybe even more. I think this is going to be a next Pepe coin just on a BaseChain. But before I show the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So this project, it's called Brett. So Brett, it's legendary character inspired by Matt Fury Boys Club comic, just like Pepe. Don't miss the next billion-dollar meme to originate from series. So they already have a link tree and their Twitter account is slowly but it's surely growing. Just the other day it was less than 10k, now it's already at 11. A lot of known people are following and actually shilling this project as well, and you can scroll down and just read a little bit more about their tweets and about this project. But if we open up a link tree right here, they have portal, they have website, Twitter, we just came from Twitter, Dex Tools, and a couple other links as well. So let's take a look at their actual Dex Tool. So on a Dex Tool, as you can see right here, market cap is 351 million. So the circulation supply is 10 billion and holders 12,000 holders. Recently, this number was a lot smaller. And then 24-hour volume is 4 million. I think it's doing amazing. And then if we scroll down right here, as you can see, the actual Dex score 92 out of 99, and I think it's still really good. It's not a honeypot, and there is zero tax sell and or tax buy, and the contract is also verified. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this project been grown like crazy in the past couple days. And I think this project, since it's on a separate chain, it's not Ethereum, it's on a BaseChain. BaseChain doesn't look like have any meme coins, so it looks like this is one of the first one. I think it's gonna do very well, especially since we're getting really close to a bull run, or some people believe that we are at the beginning of the bull run. This project will fly. A lot of people like meme coins, getting a lot of hype, growing like crazy. So this is possibly could be next Pepe coin just on the BaseChain. And to purchase this token, you can literally purchase from the Dex tool. Just come over here, press on Dex swap, expand that, and in here you can just change this from wrapped Ethereum to Brett, and then you just have to connect your wallet, and then you can purchase right here, and the provider is going to be OKX. Or you can also try on SushiSwap version 2. And this is pretty much it. For some people, this project could be life-changing opportunities. Thanks for watching.